Hi, here at Team Believe It. We believe every question has an answer, every problem has a solution, and everything is possible. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share these videos with everyone you know. By the way, we saved the best tip at the latter part of the video. Now for today's topic. Did you know that remembering and using someone's name can significantly increase their likelihood of agreeing to a meeting? It's true. People love the sound of their own name. It makes them feel valued and respected. In the fast-paced world of sales, where every interaction counts, mastering the art of appointment setting is crucial for success. It's more than just scheduling a meeting. It's about building rapport, establishing credibility, and creating a foundation for a fruitful business relationship. So the next time you're reaching out to a prospect, remember that a simple hi can go a long way in securing that all-important appointment. Appointment setting is the linchpin of successful sales. It's the bridge that connects you, the salesperson, with potential customers, opening doors to opportunities that would otherwise remain closed. Think of it as the first date in the courtship of a business relationship. A well-set appointment provides a dedicated time and platform to showcase your product or service, understand your prospect's needs, and build a connection that goes beyond a transactional exchange. Without it, you're left relying on chance encounters and cold calls, which, let's be honest, are about as effective as trying to sell ice to an Eskimo. A step-by-step guide to setting an appointment. Setting an appointment that sticks involves more than just firing off a generic email or making a quick phone call. It requires a strategic approach that combines preparation, personalization, and persistence. Step 1. Do your homework. Before you even think about reaching out, take the time to research your prospect and their business. Understand their industry, their pain points, and how your product or service can address their specific needs. Remember, knowledge is power, and in sales, it's the key to unlocking opportunities. Step 2. Craft a compelling message. When reaching out, whether by email or phone, ditch the generic scripts and personalize your message. Highlight how you can solve their specific problems or help them achieve their goals. Step 3. Suggest specific times. Instead of asking, "When are you free?" offer a couple of concrete time slots. You can ask, "Would you like to set it up on Monday or Friday? In the morning or in the afternoon?" This makes it easier for the prospect to say yes and shows that you respect their time. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to transforming cold leads into hot prospects eager to meet with you. Mastering the art of the ask. Asking for the appointment is often the most nerve-wracking part of the process, but it doesn't have to be a nail-biting experience. The key is to be confident, clear, and concise in your approach. Instead of a feeble, "Would you be interested in a meeting?" try a more assertive yet polite based on your needs. "I believe our product or service could be a valuable asset to your business. I'd love to schedule a brief call to discuss this further. Would this date or that date work for you?" Remember, confidence is contagious, and a well-placed ask can make all the difference in securing that coveted appointment. And hey, even if they say no, don't despair. Rejection is just a redirection, an opportunity to refine your approach and try again with another prospect. So, you've aced the ask and secured the appointment? Congratulations! But your work isn't done yet. Following up promptly after the initial interaction is crucial for solidifying the appointment and ensuring it stays on track. Send a calendar invite with all the necessary details, including the date, time, location if applicable, and a brief agenda. A day or two before the appointment, send a quick reminder email or make a courtesy call to confirm their availability. This simple gesture shows that you're organized, respectful of their time, and eager to meet. Think of it as sending a virtual bouquet of flowers. A small gesture that goes a long way in nurturing the budding business relationship. You've got this. Mastering the art of appointment setting is an ongoing journey, not a destination. It takes practice, persistence, and a willingness to adapt your approach based on the unique dynamics of each interaction. Remember, every no brings you closer to a yes. So embrace the challenge, stay positive, and watch as your appointment book fills up with promising opportunities. Now go out there and make it happen. As always, here at Team Believe It, we believe every question has an answer, every problem has a solution, and everything is possible. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share these videos with everyone you know. Thank you.